metering. That means EV meter. It is in a bi-direction meter. Normally, our house, residence, domestic, industry, commercial purpose meter is there. That meter will calculate how many units we consumed as on day. So based on that, our electricity bill will be generated. That is the common electricity meter work. But this net meter is a bi-direction meter. It will how many units we are consumed, how many units from solar we are exported, how many units from we are importing. All the details will recording meter is called net meter. This net meter is providing EB department in your local area. We need to apply EB department. Lot of complicated things are involved based on our site feasibility, based on the availability only. Net meter EB department will providing. Let's we see what are the things are involving in a net meter. Please join. So, net meter is a sense of current flowing through it and store the value of total consumption. So, it will run forwarding irrespective of whether the export are happening or import is happening. They are not directional sensitive meter. So, conventional energy meter. It is called the net meter is called conventional energy meter. Functional schematic. Net meter, sense of direction flow of current, storage the data is a separate registered. So, direction, which direction is going, that will be registered function only. It is happening. This is the net meter display. LED display is there, push button is there, nameplate is there, connection diagram is there, terminal block, then 1107 port. These are the components are there in a net meter. So, how to take the reading from your bidirectional meter? There is a step 1, step 2, push button is available. So, we need to take that as a consideration. Step 1, first push button. The next test is written on the display where we can start to take meter reading. Step 2, when you are press push button, the second time the same push button display show all digits to make sure it is working properly. This is the we need to push button already we shown that push button. Second time we need to push. The same thing. Third time we push the push button. For the third time, the display show its serial number. Each meter have its physical address called service number. So this serial number can be used in future to register any problem happening in a meter. So every meter having their own serial number. So fourth time, press the push button for the fourth time. Display shows next parameter is going to display which is the current date, and the fifth time it will display the current date. For example, display is showing 27/09/2017. It means September 27th, 2017. So voltage. Next delay display is the current voltage of the grid and the solar. It is always in the range of 230 volt to 240 volt Indian grid voltage. Next parameter is the current. The net value of the current will be displayed in the electrical meter, which may be export or export, depend on your load of the consumption. That next thing. So last to the final, the next is the first display ENL. Yeah, it means energy import so far from the grid. The unit of electric energy, kilowatt per hour, for example, 338 unit electricity is imported by the customer using this electric meter from the date of reading. That's what this meter is showing. So second, display ENE. It means net energy export to the next display meter. Total unit energy exported by this client into utility grid. So this what it is showing. So with this we are ending net meter. We are ending this net meter presentation. We are see next class, next subject. All the best.